Have you stopped to think? There is so much to do, so many opportunities to waiting, but you need a change of perspective. Success is not measured by external standards, but by your personal satisfaction. It's like growing a garden where every effort becomes an achievement. Your way of looking at things can change the reality. What if every challenge was an opportunity to grow?
Don't forget to subscribe,
like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Chris Gardner's journey from homelessness to becoming a millionaire is a testament to the power of perseverance, determination, and a relentless belief in oneself. Born on February 9, 1954, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Gardner faced a childhood filled with instability and hardship. His father was absent, and his stepfather was abusive, creating a volatile environment that left a lasting impact on him. Despite these challenges, Gardner found solace in his mother, Betty Jean, whose strength and optimism inspired him. She often reminded him, "You can only depend on yourself." These words became a guiding principle in his life. Growing up in poverty, Gardner learned early on that hard work and self-reliance were essential. After high school, he joined the Navy, a decision that provided him with structure, discipline, and valuable life skills. Following his service, Gardner pursued a career as a medical equipment salesman. While he was competent in his role, it wasn't the fulfilling or financially stable path he desired. His personal life also took a difficult turn when his relationship with his partner ended, leaving him as the sole caregiver for his toddler son, Christopher Jr. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. In the early 1980s, Gardner hit rock bottom. He and his son were evicted from their apartment, forcing them into a period of homelessness. With no stable income, they slept in shelters, parks, and even public restrooms and train stations. Gardner carried his son everywhere, determined to provide him with the love and security he never experienced in his own childhood. Despite these challenges, Gardner maintained an unwavering focus on creating a better life. The turning point in Gardner's life came when he saw a man parking a red Ferrari and asked him about his profession. The man was a stockbroker, a revelation that sparked Gardner's interest in the financial industry. Despite having no background in finance and limited resources, Gardner set his sights on becoming a stockbroker. He managed to secure an unpaid internship at Dean Witter Reynolds, a brokerage firm, a position that offered the possibility of a full-time role for the top performer. Balancing the demands of his internship with raising his son and navigating homelessness, Gardner worked tirelessly. His days were grueling, making hundreds of cold calls, studying financial concepts, and ensuring his son was cared for. Despite the odds, his perseverance paid off. By the end of the internship, Gardner earned the coveted position, beginning his meteoric rise in the world of finance. Gardner's talent and work ethic soon set him apart. He became one of the firm's top-performing stockbrokers, and his success paved the way for even greater achievements. In 1987, he took a leap of faith and founded his own brokerage firm, Gardner Rich & Company, with a modest office and limited resources. Through sheer determination and skill, he built the company into a thriving enterprise. Years later, he sold his stake in the firm for millions, securing his place among the most successful entrepreneurs of his time. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. But Gardner's story is about more than just financial success. He is deeply committed to giving back, particularly to those who face the kinds of challenges he once endured. As a motivational speaker, he travels the world sharing his journey and encouraging others to overcome adversity. He has also supported numerous philanthropic initiatives, focusing on education, housing, and job training for underserved communities. In 2006, Gardner published his memoir, The Pursuit of Happiness, a candid account of his life struggles and triumphs. The book became a bestseller, inspiring millions with its message of hope and resilience. Its success led to a film adaptation starring Will Smith, which brought Gardner's story to a global audience and further cemented his legacy. Gardner's influence extends far beyond his financial success. His commitment to creating opportunities for others has made him a beacon of hope for countless individuals. He believes that challenges are meant to shape, not define, one's destiny. His speeches and writings emphasize the value of self-belief, resilience, and the importance of taking the first step toward change. During his rise, Gardner often reflected on the role his son played in his journey. The determination to provide a stable and secure life for Christopher Jr. fueled his unyielding drive. As Gardner once said, "I was determined to protect my child from the hardships I endured. His future was my greatest motivation." Today, Chris Gardner continues to inspire as a symbol of hope, determination, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. His extraordinary rise from homelessness to millionaire is proof that with unwavering commitment and belief in oneself, it's possible to transform even the most daunting of dreams into reality. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. His legacy lives on, not only through his financial achievements, but in the countless lives he has touched with his story. Gardner's philosophy, that setbacks are stepping stones, serves as a reminder that our past does not define our future, and no dream is beyond reach.